samples. Okay, this is a sample of the chest. It represent the lungs, the heart, and all the organs of the chest itself. Now I am going to apply a segmentation model on it from the total segmentator model. We will use the lung. Here is the segmentation tasks. We will begin with the total. Anyone can use his own, but I will take the total and apply the model. It's important here to use the CUDA from NVIDIA so the application can work correctly. Take somewhat to introduce a segmentation process. Now the segmentation has been done and there is a segment and colored. Each segment are colored with different color than the other. This is the segmentation process of the chest. Now we are going to convert it to 3D model. This is the 3D model comes from the total segmentator. Now we are going to work with our own extension we made to let the 3D model from Slicer entered to Omniverse as OpenUSD. How this will be done? We have here GitHub. On the GitHub we have two bunch of commands. In the first one you can use it once only at the first time you are using this process. The second one you use it every time you are going to use the process. Okay, copy and put it in the shell of the slicer. After that we made the second one. There is a point here you must save it. Save data as this is click okay, and just want to save it at, for example, downloads and sysdoc and select and save. Yes to all. After that I order this, I put this command again and begin. Then I take the other command. And finally export the 3D model, the OpenUSD model, and it takes sometimes to export the USD model. This takes some while, of course, to convert the whole chest to USD. Now we get this sentence: USD is successfully exported to scene.3.usda. Okay, let's check here. Scene doctor. This is a file that we save the scans on. We can go to the file which is called export, and I find the scene USD. This one I will use it in the, let's now finish this one. Okay, open and reopen the project. Now downloads scene.3. After scene.3 I go to export. I have two, so I can scene and launch it with each part. I think the right one to be like what's up. Okay, let's now make a live session between Omniverse and, for example, Unreal, and begin to export it from the Omniverse to Unreal to make our own simulation, for example. Local. Okay, it's okay. Make it live now. I must save this one on the necklace, and this I didn't do it. Save as USD3, and here's it. This is the second session, and we make it live. Default join. Let me share live and default body set and join. Now they are the two connected. I can make anything with the two. For example, here. That let me go to the Unreal and begin to build a whole scenario on the Unreal and get it as operation scenario, for example. I can make a whole scenario and make it for VR, AR, any demonstration process, and begin to work with it. Here is the session. I think the sessions are now working good. Okay, let us make a small scenario. I'm going to remove this piece and make it like that. Okay, this piece, and this is the spinal cord. Let me get it out. And begin, for example, to make a scenario for it using a blueprint, using C++, whatever the process I need. Okay, and thank you all.